Hello, welcome to Gardening 101. This short video is about boxwoods, one of our favorite evergreen plants. People love boxwoods and they're very easy plants to grow. Full sun, a little bit of shade. They can actually take quite a bit of shade. Any soil, as long as it's not too wet, not too dry. It is important to keep boxwoods out of cold winter winds. That's the one thing that they really don't like, so think just a little bit about your site selection. Now, in the past few years, there have been some issues coming around with some boxwood diseases and some insect issues. It's not a deal breaker. I wouldn't not buy boxwoods because of those things, but we have started carrying some pretty nice new disease-resistant varieties. This is one right here called Independence. Gives you all the wonderful features you love of boxwoods with a tremendous disease resistance. But the key point in all of this is just be vigilant. Look at your plants. Go out. Check them every few months. Look for any signs of disease, any signs of insects, and then treat. And if you do those things and you keep the plant happy to begin with, you're going to have success.